What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Arnold Breakdown. Today is July 25th, and this is one of those days where almost every setup just played out clean. Let's walk through exactly what I traded, why I took the trades, and how they played out, and how I ended up with nearly $2,000 in profit in one day. Starting with Tesla, I grabbed 100 shares at 307. Tesla had a clear uptrend forming after the open. I noticed it was reclaiming that key 307 zone with strong volume and a nice bullish curl. On the 1 minute chart, I was looking for a push through pre-market highs. It gave it, and I sold at 312.19 for a $449 profit. I'm not trying to hold too long, especially on this big of a position like that, but a clean breakout like that and getting that good of a gain is pretty much exactly what I'm looking for in a trade like this. Next up is LIDR. This was my favorite trade of the day. I bought 5,000 shares at 336. This thing had a surge of volume right off the open, and I liked the risk to award near support. Consolidated a bit around 335, and that's when it started curling back with heavy bids. I held and sold at 361, locking in a profit of $1,250. This is a quick and confident trade. This type of small cap momentum is something that I love to see. Also, if you're getting value out of this, make sure to drop a like and follow this channel. I post real trade breakdowns like this every day. No courses, no hype, just real trades and real money making. Now let's talk about Citigroup. This was a slower mover, but I liked it and the momentum that was following through off recent analysis upgrades. I took 100 shares at $94.72 and rode it all the way to 95.11. It was a $39 gain, nothing crazy, but I'll take money that is consistent like this any day. I also predicted this one in my news forecast last night. Now, for the last stock of the day, FLG, this was one of a more strategic entry, not a scalp. I started with 500 shares at 1134, but when it dipped, I didn't panic. The volume was light and it still held trend, so I averaged in another 500 shares at 11 flat, bringing the average cost down. I was watching for reclaim at 1130, 1140 zone, and once the buyers stepped back in, it pushed like I hoped. I exited a full 1,000 shares at 1141, locking in $240 of profit. Let's recap the totals real quick. Tesla brought in $448. LIDR brought in $1,250. Citi brought in $39. And FLG brought in $240. That's a total profit of $1,977 today. All in, super clean trading today. I stuck to my plans, didn't overtrade, and let the setups work. That's what it's all about. If you want to see what I'm watching for tomorrow, I've got a full watch list short already posted. Go check it out and make sure you're subscribed for more raw trading content just like this.